Good morning. My name is Juan Guzman. I work for A&K Development in Eugene, Oregon. We developed this corn cutter machine. This corn cutter machine is supposed to be cut corn about this size, standard America size corn. I know in different countries we have different corn, smaller diameter. So in order to readjust the cutter, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that for those countries that have a smaller corn. Yeah. Okay, first step over here on the gauge and infeed rolls, we have an opening over here, probably like 1/4 inch. So like we try to do right here, it is close if it rolls a little bit more than that, and also the gauging rolls, so we can have track actually when the cap go through. We're supposed to have enough strength to hold the cap and make it go through. 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch. So I will show you how to adjust this. But first, we need a standard 9/16 American wrench, and also 1 and 1/16. We need to hold the nut in the back. Okay. And loose the bolt. We need to take all 6 feed rolls out. Get all 3 on top first, so you be able to lose the one on the bottom. As you can see, this is really simple machine, mechanical speaking. We just need 2 Allen wrenches, one 7/32 and one 3/16. In the back over here, we have a couple bolts over here. The one we need to take apart. And one more over here. Just get rid of the back cover. Okay, right here we're using a 9/16 socket. We need to lose the bolts on every plate over here, only 1/4 of a turn. It's really simple, but you need to take your time to make the adjustment. also. Okay, every time we ship cutters for different company, I always send one tool looking like that. It is a jig, it is a tool in order to check up the high and lower the shafts over here. Just remember, we have a hexagonal shaft over here, so we're supposed to get this straight with the tooth pointing up on the first 4 shafts. See? Up, 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 up. And then we get our tool inside over here. This locator over here is like cutter head. So we're gonna try to get the cutter head inside. Raise this up with the lever in the left. And get the jig situated over here. Be sure it's all the way down over here. As you can see, it is flat over here on the levers of the cutter front. There's no movement over here. It's tight, and also the bottom. Okay. And also I send you one of these filler gauges, which is one side smaller than the other one. The smaller size is supposed to be for the first 4 shafts, and the wider side is supposed to be on the discharge side over here. As you can see, there's already gauge this machine. So right now we're going to try to make this opening smaller. So in this case, I'm going to use a smaller gauge. This is a special gauge we make over here. Usually I never send this type of gauging for you guys. Actually I send this type. Well, because this right now, there's a having a small corner, I'm going to try to make the adjustment with this filler gauge. As you can see, it's a little bit loose over here. So I'm going to try to make the adjustment in the back in order to the filler gauge get a little bit. In order to achieve that adjustment, after we lose the 3/8 ball over here, quarter of a turn, we have another adjustment ball on top over here. The one colored brass. We're supposed to in order to get the shaft a little bit closer, in this case, we need to turn the adjustment ball to the left. Right here, the shaft works like a lever. If we get this end tight, the end is going to be open. So if we lose this end up, the end is going to be down. So in this case, we're working on the top infeed shaft, so it's supposed to be lower. So I need to lose the adjustment ball over here to the left. Okay, there's one. We need to make this easier. 2, probably 3 times, and then we need to check the other end with the filler gauge. Okay. Probably that won't start moving up. See? As you can see, the filler gauge start moving. A little bit, and then we need to check the one in the bottom also. In this case, the bottom one is supposed to turn the other way. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See, the one on top already a little bit tight. It's hard to get the filler gauge in. So we need to loosen up a little bit. There, look. There's no play at all. And these fillers just fit right on the money. We need to do the same with the bottom. The bottom needs tiny bit up a little bit. Okay, that's good. So these are the infeed shafts. Now we need to get the gauging shafts also. Good, good. Now we're going to try to get the discharge. The discharge is not really important, but I'm going to try to make the adjustment same with this new filler gauge. Later on, I give you the dimensions of this gauge, so probably you can make one at home. I'm supposed to lose the bolt, adjustment bolt. Probably 3 times at a time, and also the bottom, right here. Here we have the bottom adjustment bolt right here. One for every shaft. If you have more than one cutter machine, you're supposed to try one by one. Make the adjustment first on the first one, run your corn, and be sure everything is fine. After you find out the right adjustment on the first one, so you can go with the second one, and third and fourth, whatever, as many you have at home. Good. After you make the adjustment, you're supposed to get those 3/8 bolts tight in the back. Remember, we just loosen the bolt quarter of a turn, so another quarter turn is supposed to be tight. I know this is a little bit challenge, but as soon as you get the first done, the second one is going to take less time to make the adjustment. Just be patient and do it right. If you're a smoker, have a break time and go smoke and then come back again and do it again, just in case you get a little bit of challenge to make the adjustment. Okay, after you make the adjustment, just get rid of the jig, the tool, the one I sent you with the shipment. And get your feed rolls back to it. Remember, this adjustment, the one we just make, it is for small corn. As you can see, remember we have a quarter of an inch opening over here. If it rolled quiet, we have probably like 1/16 opening. On the gauging, probably we have like a 1/8 opening. So that means two shafts already closed, like 1/16 on each corner, and that's gonna help to send the cap go through and have no problems with your turning corner. Thank you, that's it. I hope this helped for you guys. And probably the next future I'm gonna try to make more videos for different adjustments. Thank you very much.